The Clarke Tiger 1800B petrol-driven pressure washer is a powerful and portable high-pressure power washer that's ideal for cleaning cars, motorbikes, cycles, boats, agricultural machinery and other equipment in remote locations when mains electrical supply is not available. Highly affordable, this compact machine does not require a mains water supply, as it can draw water from a water butt or other convenient source, making it ideal for remote locations such as off-road circuits and trails. It's great for cleaning motocross bikes, mountain bikes and vehicles. A water bottle is provided in its own cradle to enable the pressure washer to prime when drawing water from an unpressurized source. The Tiger 1800B's powerful 3 horsepower 4-stroke petrol engine is fully Euro 5 compliant, resulting in improved economy and efficiency whilst lowering emissions. It creates a huge 110 bar of pressure for fast and effective cleaning and has a flow rate of 6 litres per minute. A small toolkit is provided for essential engine maintenance. The 1.6-litre fuel tank has a wide filler cap and is conveniently located on the top of the machine. A fuel tap is located below the tank, along with the engine cutoff switch, choke and throttle. The oil filler and dipstick is located to the side of the engine, and a low oil level cutout will prevent the engine from running if the level is too low. A generous length of detergent pickup hose also comes as standard to help with those really mucky jobs. The Tiger 1800B is built into a fully portable, tough, protective carry frame with a carry handle and includes a lance assembly with fan to pencil jet nozzle and a 5-meter hose. Convenient brackets are provided for both the hose and lance. If you need serious cleaning power in remote locations, you need the Clarke Tiger 1800B.